Hello everyone! Welcome to today's Korean lesson. I'm so excited to teach you one of the most practical skills you'll need in Korea, ordering food in restaurants. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to walk into any Korean restaurant with confidence and order your meal entirely in Korean. Trust me, Korean people absolutely love it when foreigners make an effort to speak their language. So even if you make mistakes, they'll appreciate your effort. Let's start with the very moment you walk into a restaurant. When you enter a Korean restaurant, the staff will immediately greet you with 어서 오세요, which means welcome. You don't need to respond to this greeting, just smile and bow slightly. The next thing they'll ask is 몇 분이세요, which means how many people. This is absolutely essential to know. If you're alone, say 한 명이요. For two people, 두 명이요. Three people, 세 명이요. Four people, 네 명이요. Five people, 다섯 명이요. Notice the pattern here? It's the number plus. 명이요. These are the most common group sizes, so memorize these well. Now let's practice all the phrases from this entrance section together. First, the greeting they'll say to you. 어서 오세요. 어서 오세요. 어서 오세요. The question about how many people. 몇 분이세요? 몇 분이세요? 몇 분이세요? Your response is one person. 한 명이요. 한 명이요. 한 명이요. Two people. 두 명이요. 두 명이요. 두 명이요. Three people. 세 명이요. 세 명이요. 세 명이요. Four people. 네 명이요. 네 명이요. 네 명이요. Five people. 다섯 명이요. 다섯 명이요. 다섯 명이요. Excellent. After they seat you, you'll need to look at the menu. Korean menus can be overwhelming, especially if you can't read Hangul yet. Don't worry. Here are some lifesaver phrases. First, 메뉴판 좀 주세요 means please give me the menu. The word 좀 here is incredibly useful. It makes your request more polite and natural. You'll use 좀 all the time in Korean. If you want recommendations, ask 추천 메뉴가 뭐예요? Which means, what do you recommend? This is perfect because Korean staff love to help foreigners choose good dishes. When you see something on the menu but don't know what it is, simply point and say 이거 뭐예요? Which means, what is this? This phrase will save your life in Korea. And here's a crucial question for those who can't handle spicy food. 맵나요? Means, is it spicy? The staff will usually answer with 조금 매워요, meaning, it's a little spicy, or 많이 매워요, meaning, it's very spicy. If you want to know the price, ask 얼마예요? Which means, how much is it? Let's practice all the menu-related phrases together now. Asking for the menu. 메뉴판 좀 주세요. 메뉴판 좀 주세요. 메뉴판 좀 주세요. Asking for recommendations. 추천 메뉴가 뭐예요? 추천 메뉴가 뭐예요? 추천 메뉴가 뭐예요? Asking what something is. 이거 뭐예요? 이거 뭐예요? 이거 뭐예요? Checking if it's spicy. 맵나요? 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 Asking about price. 얼마예요? 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 Great job. Now let's get to the actual ordering. The basic pattern is simple, food name plus 주세요, which means please give me. For example, 비빔밥 주세요 means bibimbap, please. But to be more specific about quantity, you can say 비빔밥 하나 주세요, which means one bibimbap, please. 하나 means one, 둘 means two, so 김치찌개 둘 주세요 means two kimchi stews, please. Let me give you some popular dishes. 불고기 하나 주세요 means one bulgogi, please. 냉면 하나 주세요 means one naengmyeon, please. 갈비탕 하나 주세요 means one galbitang, please. Here's something really important about Korean dining culture. When you need to call the server, you say, 여기요, quite loudly. Don't whisper it or raise your hand politely like in Western restaurants. In Korea, it's perfectly normal and expected to call out. 여기요, to get attention. Time to practice our ordering phrases. Basic bibimbap order. 비빔밥 주세요. 비빔밥 주세요. 비빔밥 주세요. One bibimbap. 비빔밥 하나 주세요. 비빔밥 하나 주세요. 비빔밥 하나 주세요. Two kimchi stews. 김치찌개 둘 주세요. 김치찌개 둘 주세요. 김치찌개 둘 주세요. One bulgogi. 불고기 하나 주세요. 불고기 하나 주세요. 불고기 하나 주세요. One 냉면. 냉면 하나 주세요. 냉면 하나 주세요. 냉면 하나 주세요. One 갈비탕. 갈비탕 하나 주세요. 갈비탕 하나 주세요. 갈비탕 하나 주세요. And calling the server? 여기요. 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 Perfect. Now let's talk about drinks. Water is free in Korean restaurants, and you can ask for it by saying, 물 주세요. For other drinks, it's the same pattern. 콜라 주세요 for cola. 맥주 주세요 for beer. If you want to be specific about quantity with drinks, you use different counters. For bottles, say, 한 병 one bottle. So, 소주 한 병 주세요 means one bottle of soju, please. For glasses, say, 한 잔 one glass. 맥주 두 잔 주세요 means two glasses of beer, please. One of the best things about Korean restaurants is the free side dishes called 반찬. These are completely free, and you can ask for more anytime by saying 반찬 더 주세요, which means more side dishes, please. Don't be shy about this. It's completely normal and expected. Kimchi is the most popular side dish, so you might want to remember. 김치 더 주세요, which means more kimchi, please. Let's practice all our drink and side dish phrases. Water, 물 주세요, 물 주세요, 물 주세요. 콜라, 콜라 주세요, 콜라 주세요, 콜라 주세요. Beer, 맥주 주세요, 맥주 주세요, 맥주 주세요. One bottle of soju. 소주 한 병 주세요. 소주 한 병 주세요. 소주 한 병 주세요. Two glasses of beer. 맥주 두 잔 주세요. 맥주 두 잔 주세요. 맥주 두 잔 주세요. More side dishes. 반찬 더 주세요. 반찬 더 주세요. 반찬 더 주세요. More kimchi. 김치 더 주세요. 김치 더 주세요. 김치 더 주세요. Excellent! Korean food can be quite spicy, so here are some phrases to help you adjust the heat level. If you want it less spicy, say 덜 맵게 해주세요, which means please make it less spicy. If you're brave and want it spicier, say 많이 맵게 해주세요, which means please make it very spicy. You can also ask for it to be served hot. 뜨겁게 해주세요 means please make it hot or cold. 차갑게 해주세요 means please make it cold. Now let's practice our temperature and spice adjustment phrases. Less spicy. 덜 맵게 해주세요. 덜 맵게 해주세요. 덜 맵게 해주세요. Very spicy. 많이 맵게 해주세요. 많이 맵게 해주세요. 많이 맵게 해주세요. Make it hot. 뜨겁게 해주세요. 뜨겁게 해주세요. 뜨겁게 해주세요. Make it cold. 차갑게 해주세요. 차갑게 해주세요. 차갑게 해주세요. Great word. When you're ready to pay, you'll need to ask for the check. Say 계산 써주세요, which means check, please. In most Korean restaurants, you'll pay at the counter, not at your table. When they tell you the price, you can pay by card by saying 카드로 할게요, or in cash with 현금으로 할게요. Before you leave, it's polite to say 맛있게 먹었어요, which means The food was delicious. This simple phrase will make Korean restaurant owners incredibly happy. Let's practice our payment phrases together, asking for the check. 계산서 주세요. 계산서 주세요. 계산서 주세요. Paying by card. 카드로 할게요. 카드로 할게요. 카드로 할게요. Paying in cash. 현금으로 할게요. 현금으로 할게요. 현금으로 할게요. Complimenting the food. 맛있게 먹었어요. 맛있게 먹었어요. 맛있게 먹었어요. Perfect. Let me teach you some emergency phrases for when things go wrong. If they bring you something you didn't order, say, 죄송해요. 이거 안 시켰어요. Which means, sorry, I didn't order this. If your food is cold and you want it reheated, say, 다시 데워주세요. Which means, please reheat this. If you want to take leftovers home, say, 포장해주세요, which means, please pack this to go. And if you need utensils, 젓가락 주세요, means, please give me chopsticks. And 숟가락 주세요 means, please give me a spoon. Time for our emergency phrases practice. Wrong order. 죄송해요. 이거 안 시켰어요. 죄송해요. 이거 안 시켰어요. 죄송해요. 이거 안 시켰어요. Reheat food. 다시 데워주세요. 다시 데워주세요. 다시 데워주세요. Pack to go. 포장해주세요. 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 Chopsticks. 젓가락 주세요. 젓가락 주세요. 젓가락 주세요. Spoon. 숟가락 주세요. 숟가락 주세요. 숟가락 주세요. Excellent preparation for any situation. Let me walk you through a complete restaurant experience from start to finish. You walk in, and the staff says, 어서 오세요. 몇 분이세요? You answer. 2명이요. They seat you and ask, 주문하시겠어요? Meaning, will you order? You say, 네, 비빔밥 하나, 불고기 하나 주세요. They ask about drinks. 음료는 뭐로 하시겠어요? You say, 물 주세요. During your meal, you call. 여기요, 반찬 더 주세요. After eating, you say, 계산서 주세요. They say the price, and you respond. 카드로 할게요. Finally, you say, 맛있게 먹었어요, as you leave. Here are some important cultural tips. First, don't be afraid to speak loudly when calling the server. 여기요 should be said with confidence. Second, always remember that side dishes are free and unlimited, so don't hesitate to ask for more. Third, most Korean restaurants require you to pay at the counter, not at your table. Fourth, if you're dining with older people, wait for them to pick up their utensils first before you start eating. And fifth, when pouring drinks, especially alcohol, use both hands as a sign of respect. Korean people are incredibly patient and helpful with foreigners learning their language. Even if you mispronounce something or use the wrong grammar, they'll understand your effort and appreciate it. The key is confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how you learn. Let me give you 5 complete ordering combinations you can use right away. First, the Korean comfort food combo. 비빔밥 하나, 김치찌개 하나, 물 주세요. Second, the meat lovers combo. 불고기 하나, 공기밥 둘, 콜라 주세요. Third, the noodle combo. 냉면 하나, 만두 하나 주세요. Fourth, the spicy street food combo. 떡볶이 하나, 순대 하나, 많이 맵게 해주세요. And fifth, the safe choice combo. 치킨 하나, 덜 맵게 해주세요. 콜라 주세요. Now let's practice these 5 complete meal combinations. Korean comfort food. 비빔밥 하나, 김치찌개 하나, 물 주세요. 비빔밥 하나, 김치찌개 하나, 물 주세요. 비빔밥 하나, 김치찌개 하나, 물 주세요. Meat lovers meal. 불고기 하나, 공기밥 둘, 콜라 주세요. 불고기 하나, 공기밥 둘, 콜라 주세요. 불고기 하나, 공기밥 둘, 콜라 주세요. Noodle combo. 냉면 하나, 만두 하나 주세요. 냉면 하나, 만두 하나 주세요. 냉면 하나, 만두 하나 주세요. Spicy challenge. 떡볶이 하나, 순대 하나 많이 맵게 해주세요. 떡볶이 하나, 순대 하나 많이 맵게 해주세요. 떡볶이 하나, 순대 하나 많이 맵게 해주세요. Safe choice. 치킨 하나 덜 맵게 해주세요. 콜라 주세요. 치킨 하나 덜 맵게 해주세요. 콜라 주세요. 치킨 하나 덜 맵게 해주세요. 콜라 주세요. Outstanding. If you ever feel overwhelmed or confused, here are your emergency phrases. Say. 죄송해요. For sorry. 천천히 말씀해 주세요. For please speak slowly. 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. To ask them to repeat. 영어 가능해요? To ask if they speak English. And 메뉴 가리켜 주세요. To ask them to point at the menu. Let's practice our panic phrases together. Sorry. 죄송해요. 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 Speak slowly. 천천히 말씀해 주세요. 천천히 말씀해 주세요. 천천히 말씀해 주세요. Please repeat. 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. 다시 한번 말씀해 주세요. English possible. 영어 가능해요. 영어 가능해요. 영어 가능해요. Point to menu. 메뉴 가리켜 주세요. 메뉴 가리켜 주세요. 메뉴 가리켜 주세요. You're now prepared for any situation. Your homework for this week is to practice these phrases out loud every day. Watch Korean dramas and pay attention to restaurant scenes. Practice role playing with friends or family members. Study Korean restaurant menus online to familiarize yourself with food names. And most importantly, find a Korean restaurant near you and use these phrases in real life. Remember, the goal isn't perfection, it's communication. If you can order one dish, ask for water, and pay the bill, you're already succeeding. Build your confidence gradually, and soon you'll be ordering complex meals and chatting with restaurant staff like a pro. Korean food culture is all about sharing, community, and hospitality. When you make the effort to speak Korean in restaurants, you're not just ordering food, you're showing respect for the culture and connecting with people. That's the real magic of language learning. Next time, we'll learn how to shop in Korean stores and markets, which will be just as practical and fun. Until then, keep practicing these restaurant phrases, and most importantly, go out and use them. 맛있게 드세요. Enjoy your meal. Let's say our final phrase together. 맛있게 드세요. 맛있게 드세요. 맛있게 드세요. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next lesson.